welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the blazes you will see while hiking in the White Mountains in New Hampshire. If you like to hike in New Hampshire, odds are that you have seen these paint markings on trees and rocks known as blazes. Blazes are used to aid hikers in knowing that they are still on the correct trail and have not gotten lost. In the White Mountains, they are single, vertical, rectangular-shaped markings when marked on trees. When painted on rocks, their orientation and shape may change. While they are often spaced along the trail in somewhat regular intervals, their spacing can be erratic. Sometimes you will be able to see multiple blazes in a row, while other times you may walk tens of minutes without seeing a single blaze. Blazes are meant to be an overall guide and not a replacement for good planning. Today we will be talking about the blaze colors and what they mean. Before you begin a hike, it is always good to know what blaze colors you should expect to see along your trail route. If you cannot find out ahead of time, you should make a mental note when starting a hike to find a blaze and remember its color. A given trail will have the same color blaze for the duration of the trail and will not change. If your hike is taking you across multiple trails, it is good to know what each trail's blaze color is. Again, if you cannot find out ahead of time, try to make a mental note to look for a blaze as soon as you get on a new trail. But this begs the question, what blaze colors are there and what do they mean? Hiking in the White Mountains, there are 3 blaze colors used to mark trails. These colors are white, blue, and yellow. The white blaze is used for trails that are part of the Appalachian Trail. If you are hiking on a trail with a white blaze, you are hiking on the Appalachian Trail. The blue blaze is often used for trails that connect to the Appalachian Trail. If you are hiking on a trail with a blue blaze, somewhere along that trail it likely connects to the Appalachian Trail. Lastly, the yellow blaze is used for all other trails. Note that the white blaze marking, the Appalachian Trail, is the only official color marking. While the blue and yellow blazes may follow this convention most of the time, it is not guaranteed. Again, always check your guides ahead of time or as soon as you are on the trail. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have a map showing the Wiley Range making up the mountains Tom, Field, and Wiley. We see the Appalachian Trail runs across the bottom of the map, being connected by the Twinway and Ethan Pond Trail. Since these trails are part of the Appalachian Trail, these trails are white blaze trails, shown here with a gray line to aid with visibility. We see there are many trails connected to the Appalachian Trail, 2 of them being the Zealand Trail and the Wiley Range Trail. Since these 2 trails connect to the Appalachian Trail, their trails are blue blazed trails. Lastly, this map also has trails that are not connected to the Appalachian Trail, such as the AZ Trail and Avalon Trail. Since these trails do not connect to the Appalachian Trail, these are yellow blazed trails. Note that a yellow blaze trail does not need to connect to a blue blaze trail. Yellow blazes are for any trail not connected to the Appalachian Trail. I hope this brief overview of the blazes you will see while hiking in the White Mountains will help you with your journey. Happy trails!